What's up, Bittorrent holders? So what's going on, my friend? I am really sorry, my friends. To this time, I have something very bad news for all of you. But minus 3.35% the price is decreased of Bittorrent coin in last 24 hours. But don't worry, ABS6 channel will give you 100% guarantee. If you trust on ABS6 channel, now I will give you 100% guarantee to you will never lose and you will earn a lot of money from crypto. Remember, this 13,000 people are subscribed this channel, so that's mean to their all trust. Kindly, please, you also subscribe this channel for more this type videos. My friends, Bittorrent price will be pumps up, but when a holder are starting investing, the main thing, my friend, was that to holder are investing. If a holder are investing, so definitely the price will pumps, the price will increasing. And my friend, this time you can see here the Bittorrent traffic is going to be very good. Now everything is going to be increasing, but I hope, my friends, the volume of a Bittorrent coin will also pumps up. But sometime, my friend, you everybody know this too, the traffic, the circulation, my friend, everything is what fails down. But this is just an only depends on a my friend, a short time investor. If they want, my friends, to invest for a short time, so definitely they will pump, so the price will pumps up. But when they will starting selling, so the coin will dumps down. So therefore, my friends, Bittorrent is one of the good coin, my friend, for short-time investor and not good for long-time investor. Try to understand. And I also, my friend, invest for short time. I just invest, my friend, at the mid of month and sell it at the end of month. So definitely I will get a lot of good profits, my friend, from Bittorrent coin. So I will just give you advice, my viewers, my subscriber, to please invest now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the price of my Bittorrent coin will pumps up. So please, if you want to get a profit now, do this. What I tell you, I will give you 100% guarantee to they will make you millionaire now. So see you next time, holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel.